Hey, Alicia. How are you today?
Hey, Wayne. I'm good. How about you?
Same here.
What shall we talk about today?
Today's topic is very useful, especially for people learning English.
Oh, I like that already.
We are going to talk about common pronunciation mistakes.
Yes. That's a big one.
Yeah. Actually, we will talk about 15 common mistakes that many foreigners make when speaking English.
That's great. I think this will help a lot of people. Because pronunciation, it's not easy.
Exactly. And don't worry, we'll keep it simple, okay?
Very simple. Like a real conversation.
Mistake number 1. The word sheet.
Sheet like a bed sheet, which is a large piece of cloth on your bed.
Many people pronounce it wrong. They say something like shit.
Yes. And that changes everything.
Exactly. Very different meaning. So, sheet is long sound. Sheet.
Stretch it. Sheet. This is important. Because one small sound can change the whole meaning.
Totally. Number 2. Beach.
A beach is a place near the sea, with sand.
You go there to relax, swim, enjoy the sun.
Unfortunately, people sometimes say, bitch, and that can be very embarrassing.
So remember, beach has a long E sound.
Relax your mouth. Slow down. Beach.
Perfect. Number 3. Vegetable. Vegetables are healthy foods, like carrots, tomatoes, potatoes.
Many people say vegetable, 4 parts, but native speakers say vegetable.
Yes, only 3 parts. Vegetable.
It's shorter than you think.
Number 4. Comfortable.
Comfortable means relaxed, feeling good, like a comfortable chair. To be honest, I used to say this wrong.
Really?
Yes, I said comfortable,
That's very common.
but actually it's comfortable.
Right, you almost skip a sound. Number 5. Clothes. The things you wear like shirts, jeans, jackets.
This one is hard for many people,
People say close.
but it's not the same.
Number 6. Focus means to pay attention, like focus on your work or study.
What mistake do people make here?
They say focus too strong at the end.
Oh, like stress on the wrong part?
Yes, but it should be focus.
Stress at the beginning.
Exactly. Number 7. Work. Work is your job or activity.
Oh, yes. Many people say vork.
That's right, especially some European speakers.
The W sound is different,
Yes, your lips go forward. Work.
not V. It's W.
Good tip. Number 8. Very, which means a lot, like very happy.
And here people say wary.
Exactly. Same problem.
So remember, V is with your teeth and lip.
Yes. Very. Number 9. 3. The number after 2. People say tree.
But it's not a tree. Tree is a tall plant with a trunk, branches, and leaves, like an oak tree or palm tree. So we say 3.
Stick your tongue out a little.
It feels funny, but it works.
Number 10. Wednesday.
Oh, wow. This one confused me for a while.
Me too, when I was a kid.
People read it as Wednesday.
But we say Wednesday.
Very different from spelling.
English is funny like that. Number 11. Receipt. A receipt is a paper you get after buying something.
Silent letters.
Yes. The P is silent,
So it's receipt.
not receipt.
English loves silent letters.
Too much sometimes. Number 12. Island. An island is land in the sea, like a small piece of land with water around it.
Another silent letter.
Yes. The S is silent.
So just island.
Exactly. Number 13. Culture.
Culture means traditions and way of life. Food, music, language.
Say culture, soft and natural. Some say culture, too strong.
But it's softer. Cool chair.
Yes, more relaxed. Number 14. Develop. Develop means to grow or improve.
Like develop your English skills. Stress in the middle, develop.
Many people say develop, and that's wrong. And finally, number 15. Queue. A queue is a line of people waiting, like at a shop or bus stop.
This spelling is crazy.
Queue, but we say queue.
Just one sound.
English spelling is interesting.
That's a nice way to say it. Wow, that was a lot.
Yeah, 15 words.
I think many learners will find this helpful.
I hope so. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Do you remember a time when you said something wrong?
Oh yes, many times.
Tell me one.
Okay, once I said beach, but not correctly.
Oh no,
Yep. The person looked at me like, what did you just say?
that must have been embarrassing.
Very. But now I laugh about it.
That's good. Learning should be fun.
So, what's the main takeaway today?
I would say slow down.
Don't rush.
Listen carefully to sounds.
And copy native speakers.
Small steps. Big progress.
I like that.
All right. I think that's it for today.
Yes, that was fun.
Thanks for talking with me.
Thank you too, and thank you everyone for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.